Yes, so this is my room. It's pretty messy, so I wouldn't even look at it. This is Martin's corner. Right. I just practice the drums while I wait for them to come. The best part of Kusama is my balcony. Yeah, fantastic sunsets over there. The direction to the hospital, this is the direction to Kusama Girls' School. It's where the bus comes from after picking up the matron. You can hear the cocks. The chatter of the people. Okay. Oh, right. I got a drum lesson this afternoon, so I ought to practice. Which is going to be quite hilarious. You can come in if you want. Okay. Stop. That's terrible.
I'm sorry. I was kind of cracking up. Yeah. Okay, it's on fade right now. This is gonna be totally.
The bus is going to come from. It's a red bus. So when it comes, you can like pan it. Oh God, I've got to get that.
Okay. So first drum. Okay. Wait. You don't want to? Just do a little like. Tuck away. Wait. Hold on.
Well.
Oh shoot. Wait. Hold on.